Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express as a single fraction in its simplest form the following expression. Well, when we add algebraic fractions, we do need to make sure that the denominator is common. So in this case, right, I can see that all I have to do is to multiply A and Q here, then I will get the common denominator 8PQ. So I just need to multiply at the top as well. And therefore, the common denominator will be 8PQ, isn't it? So I just need to straight away write 8PQ. And on top, I only left with 5 plus, in this case here, 3 times 8Q, 24Q. And we are done. With that, we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.